Lipat apartment, pakakot pasakay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pakakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Lipat apartment,
Pakakot pasakay.
pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pakakot pasakay.
Yun.
Apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you po, thank you po. Thank you, ma.
Pakakot pasakay.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, ate.
Sa mga lipat bahay, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Sa mga lipat apartment dyan, pahakot pasakay.
Thank you, ma.
Sa mga maglilipat, bahay, PM nyo lang si Kuya.
Pakakot pasakay. Thank you, thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you po.
Pakakot pasakay.
Ayun, thank you, sir.
Pahakot pasakay. Gigi, pag gusto nyo mag-pahakot, message mo.
Yun, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good morning po. Pakakot pasakay na po kayo kay sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sa mga gusto magpahakot at pasakay, PM na kayo sa page nila kuya.
Okay, thank you, ate.
Thank you, Master Bijam. Pakakot pasakay na kayo.
Yun, thank you.
Pakakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Pakakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat.